Hastings Manufacturing is a 95-year manufacturing company focused on piston rings. When we bought the company in 2005 out of bankruptcy, the company was losing money. The company had a shoddy shipping record and was losing market share.
We were struggling to ship product every day with requests of the customers' requirements, and between that and the shipping errors and just the vast inefficiency that we saw on the floor in terms of packing the same item multiple times in different locations throughout the day caused us to take a look at saying, what if anything can we do better than what we're currently doing?
The financial ramifications were we were losing approximately $300,000 in customer business on an annual basis, if not more, due to the fact that we could not fill their orders when they required it, and they would go elsewhere.
After doing an evaluation and talking to a number of personnel, we developed a vision, and the concept was to eventually become real-time by becoming, entering the electronic age, if you would. And we visualized that we wanted to replace all the paper in the department and have everything electronic, real-time, and perhaps develop a system using scanners that would allow us to harness the efficiency as well as being in a real-time environment as opposed to a batch environment that we were currently operating at.
When we first started working with the scanning system, I was really excited to actually, get into that, because we had to use paperwork and write everything down, and it just took a lot of time. So now with the scanner, we just go by and just shoot it, and I don't have to be writing down anything, and it's accurate, it's faster. It takes like a minute to pull, a ring set, when it took about maybe 5 minutes to write everything down and make sure everything was accurate.
Another thing that I find is really amazing is I can track every process that's been done. I can just go to my computer and I can just pop up any work order number. It'll tell me everything about that work order, who did it, how it was done, what parts were used, what work order it came out of. I mean, everything's at my fingertips right now. It simplifies not only their job, but it makes mine so much easier.
The biggest benefit I've seen of implementing this system is accuracy, better accuracy of our inventory. If the scanner system hadn't been implemented, we would still be struggling with keeping our inventories accurate.
We used to spend 3 or 4 days doing inventory. Every year end, we had to count each ring, each box. I can go in now and I can tell you what's in inventory, what we have, what's on the shelf. There's a person every day that checks inventory.
The efficiencies gained through this implementation saved us anywhere between $300,000 to $500,000, and that came from both people costs as well as efficiencies gained in the packing area. It also reduced costs in the physical inventory. We used to have a physical inventory that would take up to a week to complete, and we cut it down to a half a day utilizing scanners, and it knocked off between $15,000 to $20,000 off that cost.
By far the biggest impact has to be the fact that we're shipping the product on time 100% of the time to our customers, and just the efficiencies that we've had associated with being paperless and the ability to ship those items day in and day out at fill rates approaching 100% and an accuracy rate of 99.8 to 99.9% on each and every order. If we elected not to implement a system such as this, no doubt we would have been surpassed by our competitors.
If I was told that we were going to stop with the scanning system, I'd start crying, because we can't do that. It'd be like, I can't even explain it. It'd be chaos.
I believe this has been a home run for Hastings Manufacturing. It created so much capacity out in the packing department that, it's unbelievable. It's made a difference between night and day.
Winning the Polk Inventory Efficiency Award is a validation that we're doing the right things. It recognizes the wonderful people at Hastings Manufacturing who focus on taking care of the customer, focus on meeting and exceeding our customers' expectations. And ultimately, by doing that, it improves the profitability of our company. We're very proud, we're very honored to be recognized, we're very, very pleased.